How is it possible to lose belly fat only? Yes, is very easy and possible. By using egg for healthy weight loss. The key is to incorporate them into a healthful diet. It seems that eating eggs at breakfast is the best approach, because this may reduce the number of calories a person consumes throughout the rest of the day. Slice 2 boiled eggs, 3 fresh tomatoes slice, and a glass of water. Do this for a week, and your fat belly will become very flat. Eggs are nutritious and easy to prepare. People tend to enjoy them boiled, made into an omelette, scrambled, poached. Pair them with vegetables at breakfast for a fiber-rich and filling meal, or add hard-boiled eggs to a salad at lunchtime. Please subscribe now to get the latest on healthy living lifestyle. Share with family and friends on social media. Thanks once